I'm going to be showing you how to achieve your own Teyana Taylor-inspired pixie cut frontal wig because this year we need to learn how to do our own hair. Make sure to hit the subscribe button and like this video if you find it helpful. Now, here is a list of the items that you would need to be able to achieve this hairstyle. This is a 13 by 4 lace frontal wig, and as you can see, I've already gone ahead to trim the wig to my desired length. I've also styled and restyled this wig many times, so I know exactly how the end result is going to look. But do feel free to let me know in the comment section down below if you like a detailed video on exactly how to achieve this cut. But the one thing I'm gonna say is the shorter you can get it, the better. Now I'm going to go ahead and apply a generous amount of my Nairobi Rapid mousse. I'm gonna make sure that I'm coating each and every strand of hair with the mousse, the front section, the back section, and then I'm going to go ahead and comb through to make sure that the mousse is evenly distributed throughout the hair. Once this is done, I'm going to section off the front section and the back section, and then I'm going to start creating the finger waves. You can go ahead and apply more mousse to the hair wherever you feel necessary. If you have the time, you can go ahead and finger wave your entire wig, but I went ahead to do the front section and a little bit of the middle section and the back section. So this wig wasn't really fully finger waved. But the key to this look is the details. You have to pay extra attention to the details. The little swirls, the curls, how the placement of the finger waves go. You have to be really intentional about each and every step. Now that I'm satisfied with the final mold, I'm going to go in with some wrapping paper or barber's tape, whichever one you choose to call it. I'm going to wrap and set the finger waves and secure the paper using some T-pins. I'm also going to repeat the same thing at the back. I'd highly recommend you use wrapping paper, but if you don't have wrapping paper on hand, you can also go in with a headscarf as well. And then we're going to set this under a dryer. I'm using the detachable dryer cap and a blow dryer, but if you have a standing dryer, that one is even perfect. But this is what I have on hand, and this is what I typically use on a day-to-day basis. Make sure that the dryer cap tube and the blow dryer are securely fixed before you go ahead and turn it on. We're going to leave this to sit under the blow dryer for about 10 to 15 minutes to make sure that everything is completely dried. And once the wick dries and sets, your molding is going to stay in place. Make sure to keep your blow dryer on cool because you do not need the high heat setting, and also we've not yet applied our heat protectant to the wig, so let's keep it on low heat for now. Now we're going to go in with a small amount of hair serum and heat protectant, and I'm going to apply that all over the wig. Make sure that every strand of hair is completely coated in this serum to always keep our hair and our wigs protected. This part, in my opinion, takes the longest. Now we're going to be going in with our Pixie curler, and we're going to take really small sections. The smaller the sections you curl, the better. And also laying the curls down exactly where we want them to sit. Because you've already done your finger waves, it's going to create some kind of a guide or a map for you to follow when you're doing your curls. Now, because this is a Teyana Taylor-inspired pixie cut wig, you are not really restricted to either curling inwards or curling outwards. The curls can be to whichever direction you want, but just make sure that you're taking them in small sections and also laying them down as you can see me doing. So I'm going to leave you to enjoy the video, and I'm going to come back once we're almost done. of a series. So I wanted to find out from you guys if you'll be interested in me creating an install video on how to flawlessly install a pixie cut wig to give scalp. So let me know in the comment section down below if this is something you guys are interested in, and I'll have it up for you guys. Now that we are done creating our beautiful curls, we're just going to go in with some hairspray, the butterfly shadow hairspray. This is just going to set your curls finally in place. Now you can choose to go in from here with a head scarf to make sure that the curls are flat and pressed down, but I don't really like that look. So I just leave my curls up, and yeah, this is the final result, guys. Let me know in the comment section down below if you enjoyed watching this video, if you learned something new, and if you'd like to see more videos like this from me. Let me know in the comment section down below and I'll get it done for you. Also, if you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button to join the Terry Berry fam. And I'm gonna see you in my next video next week or this week. But until then, stay safe and stay blessed.